Cool, thanks. All right, y'all have a good day.
Mystery man. Mystery man.
All right, so now we're in the back way of the parking lot. We're gonna see if we see some street art, any of that good kind of stuff. See what's happening. Chilling in a little van, rolling around, seeing what you can find around there.
Mr. Man!
Alright, so we're back in the park. And we're gonna see if we can talk to a few people. Let's have another lap down the beach. I know this is what y'all want to see, man. So, anytime, just let me know, Mr. Man, send in special requests. Just actually local to me. I can come down here anytime. So.
I heard you hear me.
All right. No.
Mr. Man.
All right. Yeah, let me know. I can come anytime. Everybody every day.
I heard you hear me.
All right. We're gonna go down the beach side in a minute though. Just check that view out. That's how we doing it today.
Mr. Man!
Alright. Yeah, we gonna pop down.
I heard you hear me.
Alright. There we go. Let's do it. We'll start from the end and kind of come back from there.
Mr. Man!
Alright. I'm gonna see if I can get them on. I'm gonna see if I can get them on. Let's see, it's really windy, so it's hard to hear. It's hard to hear, but we gonna see. We got these ladies built sandcastle here. Let's see if we can go.
I heard you hear me.
Alright. Ladies, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? I seen y'all making a sandcastle.
Yeah.
All right, how long you been working on it for?
We are working sandcastle because we are so bored.
Okay, is it boring out here?
No, it's not.
Well-
But like, we enjoy acting like kiddos.
Okay, well, you know what? Let's make it more entertaining. What's your name over there?
Miriam.
Miriam. Okay, and what about you?
Anna.
Okay, where y'all from?
You're from Finland.
Finland. All right, long way away. It's wintertime over there right now.
Mystery Man!
Cool, thanks a lot. All right, y'all have a good day, man. See ya.
Mr. Man!
Alright. Seagull in there. Hey man, you want to do some tricks? Show me a little trick, man. Okay. Wait, what's your name, man?
My name is Baba.
Barbara, okay. Are you from here? Where are you from?
Israel.
Oh, that's a long way away, man. That one's kind of aiming for my head. I'm from the States, man.
I heard you hear me.
All right.
Mystery man.
Looks like everybody just putting things away over here. I might say hi for a minute. We shall see. Let's see.
Mr. Man!
Alright. Ladies, how y'all doing? What's your name?
Catalina.
Okay, Catalina, what about you?
Son.
So, where y'all from?
Chile.
Chile, alright. Mucho gusto. Alright. Yo soy de California. Yeah, man. So, all good.
Mystery Man! Woo!
Have a good day. See what's happening. So, we shall see. How you doing?
So
alright.
cute.
What's your name? Marie? All right, my name is Mystery Man. Let me stop you for a minute. Let's do a little interview, okay? Okay, all right. Enjoy your day at work. Aww. See ya.
I heard you hear me.
All right. Although there's a little bit of wind, it is quite nice, especially when you got that view. Right over there, that ocean over there. You know? So, it makes a difference. What about you? What's your name? Mark? All right, what about you, man?
I'm Max.
Mark and Max, where y'all from? Here?
I live up the road.
Up the road. What about you, man?
I'm from Wollongong.
Oh, okay, all the way down.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Mystery Man!
All right, y'all have a good day, man. All over the place today. Just a little view from the bush side. Now y'all can't get tired of this right here.
Mr. Man!
All right. Where is he?
Mr. Man!
All right. So what's your name again?
Lice.
Lice. All right, and where are you from?
Brazil.
All right, Obrigado.
Yeah.
I've been there before. I've been to Brasilia, Rio, Sao Paulo, and Cuiabá.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, so I've been to all of those places, so that's all good. So,
Mr. Renee. Sorry.
that's all right. Cool. Yeah, so everybody's out here, man. It's going pretty good.
Mr. Man!
All right. Brand new location. Let's see what's out this way. One more around. The water's really nice around here as well. All right, so what's your name?
Scarlett.
Scarlett. All right, where are you from, Scarlett?
Australia.
Australia? Okay, what part of Australia?
Blue Mountains.
Blue Mountains? That's kind of far away.
Yeah,
All right, so you got your ink and everything. Let me see what you're working with. All right, so.
Mystery Man.
All right, cool, thanks. Have a good day. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex, where are you from, Alex?
Australia.
Australia? What part of Australia?
Yeah.
Here? Okay. All right, oh, I was gonna say,
So
he can get on too. Okay. So I'm from Byron? Okay, that's all right.
Mystery Man.
Mr. Man!
All right. Or hope I don't see the police or something, you know. We're here. What are you doing? Go.
Mr. Man!
All right, we're in another location going down to the next little spot. But again, we're gonna talk to everybody. We're gonna see what's happening. See who wanna holler at us or whatever, you know. Go from there. And we got this long walk down too. It's like a jungle.
Mr. Man!
All right. Here we go. All right, we done made it to the other side. So yeah, it's pretty good.
Mr. Man!
All right. We got the ocean, and then we got a little bay. People taking a dip in a little bay over there. It's not that deep. You can relax a little bit, enjoy yourself. Yeah, things are good.
I'm Sarah.
Okay, Sarah, nice to meet you. Where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from Sydney.
Sydney? Okay. Sydney the whole time, or originally from anywhere else? Iran. Okay, cool. I like to go there, but I'm scared, but that's okay, you know? I'm American, that's why I'm scared. Yeah, I'm not trying to go with my passport over there. That's okay. You know, stand up, let me see what you're working with. Stand up. Let me see what you're working with. Damn. Okay. Okay.
Mystery Man.
Perfect. That's all right. Cool, good to see you. Have a good day. I'm enjoying the view. I like that. All right. This seems to be the place to be.
Mr. Man!
All right.
Mystery Man!
Thanks, man. Yeah.
Mystery Man.
Cool, thanks. All right, y'all have a good day. I'll get y'all walking by.
See you later.
All right, surfer girls, surfer girls.
Woo.
There you go, catch some waves. Do what you do, enjoy. See ya. I know we got the sun coming down in our eyes, but that's all right. We're gonna get a couple views here. So we'll have the best view when I'm walking from the other angle. Just check that out for yourself, man. Nothing like it. Byron Bay, Mystery Man. Hope y'all had a good time. You already know. Let's do it. Put in the comments, Mystery Man. Man, where are you taking me today, man?